we have for you this afternoon is the latest as far as Maharashtra's assembly polls are concerned. Now, political temperature is soaring almost on a daily basis. Now, ahead of Maharashtra elections, the reservation debate is back. In fact, the BJP is stepping up attack on the Congress party after Maharashtra Congress President Nana Patole endorsed Rahul Gandhi's "We will remove reservation" statement. The BJP says Congress party seems to have now decided that it will remove reservation for the SCs, STs and the OBCs. And now there's some more breaking news coming in at this point in time. Issuing his first response, Nana Patole is now trying some kind of a damage control. He says Congress party always protected Samvidhan. He even slams the BJP, saying it is the BJP, in fact, which is trying to end reservation. So this is the first reaction that we are getting for you after it has become a big controversy ahead of the polls in Maharashtra. Listen in.
देखो, राहुल गांधी जी ने जो बयान किया था, जो भाजपा को उस बयान को कैसा तोड़-मोड़ करके दिखाने का काम और वो पाप किया है, वो बाद में खुला हुआ है। जिनको अंग्रेजी नहीं समझती उसको तोड़-ताड़ के उन लोगों ने किया है। राहुल जी ऐसे एक व्यक्ति है देश के लिए कि जिन्हें संविधान के सुरक्षा के लिए लड़ाई वो लड़ते रहे और देश की जनता जानती है। और वो जिस तरह से राहुल जी को पकड़कर और कांग्रेस को लेकर जिस तरह से बदनाम करते हैं, वो बात तो स्पष्ट है। और महाराष्ट्र में तो ये ऐसा है, महाराष्ट्र हमारा एक राज्य ऐसा है कि वो शाहू फुले अम्बेडकर विचारधारा का है। बीजेपी ने सत्ता में आने के बाद जिस तरह से शाहू फुले अम्बेडकर विचारों का अपमान किया है, अपमानित किया है, ये भी महाराष्ट्र की जनता नहीं भूल सकती है। और इसलिए इनका ये फेक नैरेटिव बिल्कुल महाराष्ट्र में नहीं चलेगा। कांग्रेस ये संविधान के बाजू में है। इतने साल में कांग्रेस ने हमेशा संविधान की सुरक्षा की है।
Abhishek as well as Niyamika joining us on the broadcast for more on this story. Abhishek, to you first. How do we interpret now this fresh statement coming in from Nana Patole?
Definitely, again, he made a point out in the entire bite that he gave. He said that this is a fake narrative being spread by the BJP, and this is all what has been the center point when it was the Lok Sabha election. But clearly he's differentiating from his initial statement made in the conclave, very clearly endorsed the statement given by his senior leader Rahul Gandhi, and he clearly points out that he is of the opinion that reservation should end and they will make it happen. And now he is not differentiating from his own statement and making a point in attacking the BJP, where he is clearly pointing it out that this is the fake narrative being spread by the BJP. And Congress has always protected Constitution, and Rahul Gandhi has always, wanted that reservation should be there. But what he said earlier in that conclave is not speaking about that. So definitely you can understand the double standard. It is coming up when he is giving clarification, or definitely we can say it is a damage control, because Congress has to face a massive election in Maharashtra, and reservation is a burning issue when it comes to the state of Maharashtra, where several communities are still struggling to get reservation as far as Maratha is concerned, and the OBC who are insecure that the reservation will get lost. So, in this scenario, we can clearly understand how the Congress is at a damage control mode, and the double standard of the Congress has been exposed.
Right. Stay with us, Abhishek. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika as well. Niyamika, I mean, whether now there is this kind of a damage control that we are seeing, but on the other hand, it seems that this issue is going to be a big one ahead of the elections in Maharashtra, looking at the kind of reactions we've got from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, absolutely not, as the Congress party stands firm on the statement which they had given earlier, whether it is Rahul Gandhi or Nana Patole, both of these leaders. Earlier also we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi had said that his statement has been misinterpreted and distorted by the BJP, as what he wanted to say was that there should not be 50% capping over the reservation, as there should be jitni abadi utna hak, and that is what Nana Patole has also repeated in today's statement which he had given before the media, as he has also mentioned that we were always in support of the reservation. It is basically the BJP who are trying to spread lies all across the country, and that's what they are taking up this entire matter only because there are Maharashtra Assembly elections coming in, and that's the only reason why they are just trying to create this fake narrative, because it is the BJP who are following the Manuvadi ideology. They are against the Congress, they are against the reservation, they are against the constitution, and that's what Nana Patole had also mentioned, as he has also given an open challenge not just to the BJP, but in fact he has spoken directly about Devendra Fadnavis, in which he has mentioned that if he is so firm about reservation, if he has such a clear stand regarding reservation, then he should also implement 50% reservation in the state. He should also give all the rights which needs to be given to the categories who fall into the into this reservation. And he has also made an attack upon the BJP, that on one side the BJP believes that there should be RSS affiliated people who should be given the topmost positions within the government, whether it is the rank of secretary or joint secretary. All of these people are coming directly from the RSS instead of giving UPSC exam. But on the other side, the Congress party is quite firm over the matter that the OBCs, Dalits, they should be given the reservation which is being there mentioned in the constitution, and that is what is the ideology of the Congress party. So Congress stands firm on its stand, whether it is about Rahul Gandhi or Nana Patole. They are saying that this is